Hello, in this video I'll be talking about the Oracle 18C, where C is for cloud, and as per the Oracle 18C is autonomous, auto-driven Oracle databases. So most of the work can be done automatically where the manual intervention is not required. We are targeting to install, and we are going to see what are all the prerequisites that needs to be taken care before the installation of Oracle 18C on the Windows environment. So first of all, we are going to see what are the prerequisites for the 18C database on the Windows environment, and let us see the same. So these are the prerequisites for the Windows environment where we can have AMD processor or it can be an Intel processor, and we should have at least 2 GB of RAM, which is really important because all this processing can be done in the memory. So it is always good to have a good memory, and virtual swap is also important because sometimes our memory will not be sufficient, so that in that case we can use, or the system can use, the swap memory. Physical memory in between 2 GB and 16 GB, then set to virtual memory to 1 times as the size of RAM. Yeah, this is really important. If physical memory is more than 16 GB, then set virtual memory to 16 GB. Then we are going to target to the disk space where all those data files will be the part and will be reside on this disk space. Again, for the typical installation we need at least 10 GB of disk space. I'm talking about hard disk. And for the advanced installation where we have most of the configuration part needs to be take care, for that also 10 GB disk space is sufficient, but this is a minimum requirement. If you are planning to build up the database for the high organization where you have tons of data or GB of data, then definitely you should have a good storage to be available. In typical installation, it means the minimum configuration part will be there, so that you can just put it on your personal laptop. You can do some kind of the administration part on those Oracle 18C. So for that we are mostly going on the typical installation, but if you are working on the server in a production environment, then definitely you need to go with the advanced installation type. Video adapter 256 color and the screen resolution, yeah, these are the prerequisites which are mainly required for the Oracle 18C on Windows 64-bit. Again, Windows 64, here the Oracle 18C is not available for Windows 32-bit. It is only available for Windows 64-bit. So I'll be telling you how we can check whether our Windows is of 32-bit or 64-bit. That we are going to see now. So in order to check whether the Windows is 64-bit or 32-bit, what you can do, just go to start. You can open the PC or my computer. Then right click, properties. Okay, so here you can see the system type is of 64-bit and currently I'm having 12 GB of RAM. So I can see, so everything is looking fine in my personal laptop. So we are good to go, and I do have a sufficient space available on the hard disk level. So there should not be any issue while the installation is going on. Okay, so let us see how we can install, or before that we will try to understand how we can download the Oracle 18C software. So for that, just go to the google.com. Okay, once you are done here, download Oracle 18C. Click on the first link. Here you can see it is saying that Oracle Database 18C download for Microsoft Windows 64-bit. X64 means it's a 64-bit. Now I'm opening the first link. Here it is asking me to put the sign in credential. If you don't have Oracle credential, you can just register over here, which is free cost. So I'm putting my user ID and the password over here. Okay, so I have logged in. If in case you're facing some issue, you can just click over here, so automatically it will go there, and we are good to go. And here you can see I have logged in with my name. Just accept license agreement, and now you just need to click on Windows 64-bit dbhome.zip. It will get started downloading, and the size is of around 4.39 GB, and click on start download. So this is the this is the download portion for the Windows 64-bit. And one more thing which I want to highlight over here, previously when we are using till 12C, there were two folders that needs to be downloaded, and we were just extracting it to the same folder, and it was creating a database folder over there. So this is what this was happening prior to the 18C. So till 12C we do have two folder needs to be downloaded, but in 18C you will find there is only one folder that needs to be download. So this is one of the best thing which I observe over here. And again, when we go for the installation part, there are few changes that they have performed on the Oracle 18C installation part, and we are going to see these things one by one. So this is going to take some time. So time left, it is showing as a 14 minutes. So I will just keep it like this, and I will forward it fast forward. So here we can see the download is completed, and it is going to the downloads folder, and obviously it is a part of C drive. So it is not a good idea to put the software files in the C drive, because whenever you are going to format it, definitely the C drive will get vanished. So better to move this software into the another drive, maybe in G drive or any drive where the drive is safe. Okay, so now we are going to see how we can install the Oracle 18C on the top of Windows 10, which is a 64-bit, and we are going to use the same software to install this Oracle installation.